How to appeal TikTok ban. To get started, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this home page. Once you are on this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three bars at the top right corner. After that, select the Settings and Privacy option. Once you are in, scroll down to the bottom and tap Report a Problem. Then scroll all the way down to Submit a Report button. Tap on the button. Once you are in this page, type your issue in the feedback section. Then attach a photo or video reference that indicates your problem. Once you are finished, hit the Submit button. TikTok will get back to you shortly with a solution. So by following these steps, you can easily appeal TikTok ban.